Hello guys! So in today's video, we're gonna see how to install Visual Studio Code. So let's just dive right in. Okay, first of all, you go to your browser. I'm using Microsoft Edge. You can say Visual Studio, Visual Studio Code. So you can see this Visual Studio Code thing here. Download Visual Studio Code free code editor. So it's still loading. Okay guys, so it's not as easy as downloading PyCharm, so let's still do it. So first of all, this one, we click this and we get this page, and when you get this page and then you click on download. What? Oh, okay, I'm not able to install it again. Oh, I mean I am. Yeah, Visual Code user setup, right? So you just give I accept the agreement, it's completely safe, believe me, okay? So and then you go to the next page, you just give next and next and next, install. Okay guys, it will take 3 hours for me to install in this one. So after that you'll get something like this, okay? And then you can just give finish, and I'm not gonna give you finish because I already have PyCharm. My whole code in here will be deleted if I give finish. So no one wants that, right? So after you complete this, you just give finish, okay? Oh, okay, it's actually fast. Whoa. The last time when I installed it in the first time, I took like 3.5 hours to install it. I don't know how it's so fast now. Yes, so I can just give finish, but I will not. Okay, let me just give it. Okay, this is the code I've built before, so that's it. That's how you install this one. So that's it. That's it for today's video, guys. But one breaking news. I've shared my links of my WhatsApp and Reddit groups or communities, you can say. Uh, I've shared those links. You can join one of those. They both have the same content, so don't worry. You can choose any, okay? So you can just look at the link and join that. So that's it for today, guys. Bye. See you tomorrow.